If someone texted you a photo or a video, but it's not showing up or it's not loading, there are easy steps that you can go through to definitely get that fixed so that whenever you do get those text messages, it will automatically just show that photo and video. Let's jump right in. Now, sometimes it looks like this. You can see the text message photo here. It just says JPEG image and 10 megabytes, but it doesn't actually show me what that photo is. The first thing we're going to do, if that's the scenario, is open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome and just open up a website. In this case, YouTube, it doesn't really matter. Just check to see if you have internet connection. Of course, to be able to load those photos and videos, you need stable internet. However, I assume that you already do, and then let's move on to the next step. The next step is to open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the bottom, tap on Apps at the bottom, scroll down again until you get to Messages, tap on Messages, scroll down. The first thing we're going to do is toggle iMessage off. To disable it, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. You can see it says waiting for activation. This will reactivate iMessage, a lot of times fixing that issue. If that doesn't fix it, scroll down from here, go to RCS messaging, and make sure this is toggled on. If it is on, you can also turn it off and turn it back on, and you can see waiting for activation. It will just reactivate RCS or rich text messages. Tap the back arrow at the top left, and next make sure MMS messaging is also turned on. If you go through these and it's still not working, tap on the back arrow at the top left, tap back again, and scroll to the top. Tap on General midway down. Tap on iPhone Storage. Sometimes your phone won't load those message photos or videos because you ran out of space on your phone. So check to see if you have, say, 100 megabytes worth of space, or ideally up to 1 gigabyte worth of space. If you don't have enough space, you might want to go in there and delete something out. The next thing that you can do is go into the messages here, and on here, if you scroll down, here is that photo. Sometimes you need to tap the little download button as well, and it will go through the process of re-downloading it. If it's a photo or a video that was sent a long time ago, for some reason your iPhone over time will offload that image, probably just to save space on your phone, and then you can always just re-download it if you needed to be able to see it at that point. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.